My name is Victoria Gonzalez-Gerlach. I graduated from Trinity in 2013. I went on to work at a real estate law firm, which led to working in the mayor's office for Mayor Ron Nirenberg, primarily working on his housing policy task force and his housing initiatives. I oversee the voter-approved affordable housing bond. This bond provides $150 million for the preservation and the creation of housing. The experiential opportunities that we had at Trinity really set the foundation for the work that I'm continuing to do today. Being able to access internship opportunities, partner with organizations, and already start learning from a hands-on environment. There was one professor that really impacted me in a powerful way, and that was Dr. Christine Drennon. Dr. Drennon always made the time to hear what we were going through and share what she thought. It was life-changing to be able to have someone to lean on, to serve as a mentor, and just be present.
Dr. Drennon, we have a message from a former student of yours that we'd like to share with you.
Hi, Dr. Drennon. It's me, Victoria. I just wanted to thank you so much for everything you've done for me personally. I cannot express how incredible and impactful being your student was on me and my life and my career. You have always made it a point to remind us that who we are as individuals is just as important as what we do.
Victoria.
Are you proud of her?
Yeah, I am. She's now like a very polished professional.
Trinity University is many things, but at the heart of it is the relationship between the student and the faculty member.
We're going to take you and we're going to put you in a really safe place, and we're going to challenge you in all of these crazy ways. And then we're gonna kind of wean you from that, right? And then like lead you off and finally say goodbye. She's an example of that.
Dr. Drennon has helped me become a better person by thinking about how we can serve people within our work. It helped me put people first.
She's found herself, she's found her passion, and now she's living, she's giving it back. It's like you go out and you work hard and you do all those things, and you will rise. The university rises because the students rise. The city rises. Our society rises. And that's excellence.